A Mocha frozen explosion is made just like an espresso frozen explosion, except you add chocolate syrup to the drink before blending and drizzle chocolate sauce over the whipped cream when finishing the drink. You need frozen explosion mix, which you should keep in an airtight container. Use a 3-ounce stainless steel scoop for adding the mix to the blender. You need a commercial grade frap or smoothie blender, and you need ice. You need a 6-ounce measuring cup. You'll also need whipped cream, chocolate syrup in a squeeze bottle. Making frozen explosion drinks is very simple. You will always use the frozen explosion mix, add liquid, then add ice. The basic recipe stays the same. The only thing that changes is what type of liquid you decide to add. Let's make a 16-ounce Mocha frozen explosion. Begin by putting 1 3-ounce scoop of frozen explosion mix into the blender. Pour 2 shots of espresso into the measuring cup, then add water to make 6 ounces of liquid, and add that to the blender. Put 1 to 2 pumps of chocolate syrup into the blender. Fill the cup with ice and add it to the blender. Depending on the size and shape of your ice cubes, you may need a little more or a little less than this to get the right consistency. Be sure to experiment with your ice to discover the ideal amount. Now you're ready to blend. Press the on button on the blender and wait about 30 seconds for the frozen explosion drink to fully blend. Turn the blender off and pour the frozen explosion coffee drink into the cup. Top with whipped cream. Drizzle chocolate syrup over the whipped cream. Put the lid on and present it to your customer with a straw.